Making a quick video. Ford Explorer 2008 Ford Explorer V6 4.0. Rough idle issues. Has had rough idle issues for about, I don't know, about a year. uh, this is my gas tank. Had so many issues with this truck the last past year. uh, First, let me just say that I took this truck to several mechanics, um, diagnosed it, couldn't find the problem. One guy went as far as telling me I had a vacuum leak, charged me $500. Truck was still running the same. Okay, you know, had issues with him. That's another story. But man, come to find out, it was the fuel pump the whole time. Uh, I changed the O2 sensors, uh, everything. It was just telling me it was running lean all the time. It would shut off on me when I was driving. One time it left me stranded. I had to have it towed back to the house. Sometimes the truck would start, sometimes it wouldn't. Uh, for instance, when it left me stranded, had it towed to the house. Month later, it wouldn't start the whole month. Month later, decided to try it. Boom, started right up. Uh, but as soon as I drove it, it would start the rough idle. I changed the fuel rail pressure sensor, the fuel tank pressure sensor, uh, the evap canister back here. The can it has two. This truck has two evap canisters. Uh, the evap solenoids, you name it, I've done it to this truck. It's I would say about $1,400 in just parts alone. I do the work myself, but sometimes I got frustrated and I took it to mechanics, and the mechanics were no better off. So if you guys like me doing it yourself, save yourself a lot of money and a lot of headaches. And if you're having the same problems that I was having with this truck, the rough idle, the stalling out while you're driving, things like that, diagnose your fuel pump. I mean, it's a little work, you know, but drop your gas tank and check out your fuel pump. Because check this out, guys. All right, this is the cord. This is the switch that gives power to the fuel pump. And as you can see, it's fried. See, fried, gone. See that? Goes in here. That's all brown in there and burnt. Uh, Even my the fuel filter there was black stuff in it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm ordering a new pump, putting it in, and it should take care of the problem. But as you can see, it was this all along. See that? And I went crazy changing parts on this truck. I would put it on the scanner. The scanner would tell me, oh, CO2 sensor. I would change that, or even the fuel tank uh, driver, the fuel tank driver module. I changed that also. It's in the back of the truck. Um, Man, I checked inertia switches. I've checked it all. I've done everything you can imagine to this truck. Come to find out, it was the pump the whole time. Now, a couple of you are probably thinking to yourself, well, why didn't you check out the pump first? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. Because the car would start, and when it would start, it would be it would be idling fine. You know, it just would be rough idle. Just making a video for trying to help out some people. You know what I mean? Like I was saying, it was idling rough, but it was still drivable. Just would stall out, and I couldn't find a problem. So that's why I thought it wasn't the fuel pump. But come to find out, I just decided to bring down the tank and just shits and giggles to check it out, and sure enough, boom, right there. So, like I said, if you're having the same problems I'm having, guys, before you go and spend all types of money changing parts, mechanics, and everything, just check it out yourself. You know what I mean? It's a little work, like I said, but bring down the tank and check it out yourself. Might save you a whole lot of money in the end.